viewers, in today's tutorial we are going to be looking at example 1 of work. In our previous lesson we already know what work is. So let's dive into action. A 2 kg body is allowed to roll down an inclined plane 4 meter long with angle of inclination 30 degrees. Calculate work done. Take G as 10 meters per second. Now, in this question, we are seeing that a 2 kg body, this is a 2 kg body, rolling down of an inclined plane. This is an inclined plane, rolling down of an inclined plane with an angle of 30 degrees. Angle of what? 30 degrees. Calculate the work done on this body. Here is our solution. To get the work done on this body, you must first of all calculate your length, the length of this body as the 2 kg roll from up to down. We see that our work in our previous lesson, work is H. Work can also be mgh. So to get the length, we have our height, which is equivalent to L times sine theta to get this angle. So therefore, what is our length? Our length should be H equals to 4 meter times sine 30 degrees. And sine 30 is equivalent to 0.5. 4 multiplied by 0.5, which is H should be now equal to 2 meter. 2 meter. 2 meter. That means this body roll from this angle of inclination from here to here in 2 meters. So therefore, work done by gravity. Work done by gravity. As the ball rolls down from the inclined plane. As the ball rolls down from an inclined plane, the work done by the gravity, which is equivalent to work, is equal to mgh. Therefore, our work should be equal to 2 kilograms times 10 meters per second square times 2 meters. 2 meters. Work now should be equal to 40 joules because work is measured in joules. Thank you.